Hari Om. Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Vision of the Divine Cosmic Form. Chapter 11, Shloka 2, 3 and 4. The origin and destruction of beings verily have been heard by me in detail from you, O lotus-eyed Krishna, and also your inexhaustible greatness.
Chapter 11, Shloka 2. Bhavapyayo hi bhutanam shrutau vistarasho maya tvattak kamalapatraksha mahatmyam apichavyayam.
Now, O Supreme Lord, as you have thus described yourself, I wish to see actually your form divine, O Purushottama.
Chapter 11, Shloka 3. Evametatyatat tvamatmanam parameshvara drashtumichchami te rupam aishvaram purushottama.
If you, O Lord, think it possible for me to see it, if you please, then, O Lord of Yoga, show me your imperishable self form.
Chapter 11, Shloka 4. Manyase yadi tacchakyam maya drashtum iti prabho yogeshvara tato me tvam darshayatmanam avyayam.
Chapter 11, Shloka 2, 3 and 4. Out of compassion for Arjuna, what were the supremely profound words that were given out by the Lord? Arjuna acknowledges what he has understood so far, the origin and dissolution of beings and the greatness and inexhaustible glory of the Lord, and that entitles him to question further. Arjuna has understood the logic of discussion so far, but he wants to strengthen his understanding, for he still has one doubt, which can be removed by a practical demonstration to make his knowledge confident. The demand of the disciple is described as follows. Arjuna wants to see Krishna's cosmic form, which expresses immanence, omnipotence, infinite wisdom, strength, virtue, and splendor. Lord decided to show Arjuna that he is not only immanent in all names and forms, but he is the receptacle which all names and forms have their existence and play, that he is also transcendental. Arjuna is like ordering the Lord and realizes his audacity and goes on to smoothen his words. Arjuna repeats his demand with a dignified humility. He has suddenly come to realize that Krishna is not a mere mortal teacher who is capable of removing his doubts, but that he is himself divine and a master of yoga. Learn more in the next sloka in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjot Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.